Avtone, a truly human experience, introduces Avtone, wearable technology for practicing auscultatory skills, extending the integration of simulated participants in high-fidelity simulation, understanding the need for realistic patient care scenarios involving auscultation of heart and lungs. Avtone has created a simulated anterior and posterior thorax. Avtone uses Bluetooth for long-range connection with a sound library that includes 13 heart sounds and 4 lung sounds for patient assessment, diagnosis and treatment decisions during formative and summative learning experiences. Avtone was designed to allow each learner to use their own stethoscope for authentic translation into practice. Avtone bridges the gap, combining unmatched authenticity for practicing and assessing auscultation skills, while ensuring your learners are both competent and confident to care for and communicate with their patients. Avtone is committed to put the patient at the center of every simulation experience. For more information, please visit avtone.com.